Hi, this is Jay from Life RX Wellness, and I'm graduate 20 years ago, and when I started this career, I got so much dream about this job. I'm gonna help people. I'm gonna make money. I'm gonna start traveling. I'm gonna buy things. And when it's happened, it's when I graduate, it didn't happen. Why? Because it's so low income. I probably work for that money all day, even less, maybe for the half of this. And right now, as a manual therapist, I know some therapists who behind the camera make up to $900 per day. And why? Because we teach them how to become more professional, take care of the marketing, take care of the advertising, and push them as a professional massage therapist. So if you want to make at least $900 per day as a massage therapist, click the link below, fill the form, join our team, join our agency, and watch the video about self-grow. I put this link below, explain how to make good money as a massage therapist. And it's not fake, it's not what's the call, foo-foo stuff. It's a true, real stuff because I did make that kind of money and people did too. So click the link below. We'll see you guys later.